So, hi guys. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. So, I'm Ajit, a student of this institute, and today we are going to play a group debate in which we are going to support print book and other team will support ebook. So, let's start with them.
So good morning all of you. Good morning. So my team support to ebook. Buy ebook all time better to offline book because we very easily capture to our phone because you know that like it's like modern era. That's why it's very important, very easy for the people and a student also as well as because we can go by the bus, so we can very easily learn to buy the
Okay,
mobile.
sir, let me tell you that why print books are more better because we are not wasting our time on the mobile phone. If we are using mobile phone for so much, then our eyes will hurt and it is not good for our health. So I think that print books are much more better because we
So,
are
ma'am,
using the
e-book
books,
is
we are
more-
not using any kind of battery.
So, ma'am, e-book is much better than print book because if we are carrying lots of books, so we don't carry in our home, in our in our bags. But in the e-book, we are carrying lots of books in our phone. And if I
For
talk
kinder
about the e-books,
information, brother, if you are using the e-books, there are several demerits. The first one is that distraction. If you are open your the net on, so at that time you will get the several notifications. The second thing is that your eyesight. If you are using the mobile phone too much, so at that time you will lose your eyesight. The third point is that if you are using the e-book, so at that time you have to pay. You will read the several books, but you are not getting the
Okay,
interest
so
in
let
the
me
books.
clear, Ritik sir, the ebook is better than the printed book because there are many platforms where you can find the free ebooks. Apart from that, it's a time saving, it's not time consuming. If you're carrying your mobile phone, you can easily read with your mobile
store
phone.
as well where you can find print book. There are lots of every street in every street we have a one store where we can purchase book, and for that we need to subscription for the ebook.
Okay, so
we need
Amit sir,
subscription
sorry Ajit sir, I want to stop you here. If you are going anywhere, so how much book you carry with yourself? I think 1 and 2 book it will be sufficient for you. Okay, but when you are going anywhere and book in your mobile phone as a PDF, so I think you can keep I think 100 plus book in your mobile phone. So I think it's a good point. Ebook.
It is a good book. You read a book also. Your reading also a good and your eyes also not weak. You use the phone is very bad for our life because in this time the eyes is very
Little brother, your speaking is well, but you also got specs. So don't give to like badness of the mobile because you also effect for your eyes. So by the mobile we can get lots of knowledge. That like ebooks all time because we can
What
say
kind of
PDF.
knowledge you can get when you are using any kind of website to read the book? There's a lot of ads are coming that can become a distraction for you. But if you are reading the print books, you are not getting any kind of distraction. Your parents are also thinking that our children are doing very great thing. They are reading the book. We are
so
getting
ma'am,
a lot
if
of
you are
knowledge from the
purchasing
books.
your ebooks, so if you are getting ebooks, so your parents also, because you save your parents money. And if you are thinking about the ebook, we get eyesight weak. So if we are reading any type of book in a very concentrate way, so on that time your eyesight also weak. So it's not a ebook and a print book.
Okay,
And
so
if you are
brother,
talking,
the first thing is that brother, you're talking about the we are wearing the spec. That's why we are giving you a suggestion. Don't go in the ebooks. If you will go ebooks, so you will happen this thing which we are doing right. Apart from it, we are just saying if you are doing the ebook, if you are reading the ebook, so at that time there are several the aspirant are there who are not supporting the ebooks. They are just supporting the books by which they are going.
Okay, let me clear that ebook is better than because in the ebook you are talking about the distraction and the notification. There are many settings in the phone where you can just off all the notification where you will not get any distraction. Apart from that, any website and the minimal you were telling about the ads are there. You have to pay the minimal amount. Then after you will not get any
How much
kinds of ads.
minimal amount you are saying? 1,000 rupees, 2,000? Tell me that na. In there are lots of several markets in which you can get any kind of book within 200, within 300. Okay, and so you are saying that.
Okay, so Ajit sir, tell me the one thing. We are living in Delhi, New Delhi, especially, and we have many issues in there. The space issue is there, the land issue is there. So how much book you can keep in your house? I think the 15 to 20 books. But if you keep your books in a mobile phone, so I think you can
Sir,
keep.
first of all, you purchase the mobile and then you read. You understand the story of in your mobile. Then the ad is coming. You read in book. No ad is coming and nobody is disturb you. And you understand.
if you buying
also.
any type of print book, so just in our home, small children are also available. But sometimes small children playing with the books. So our books, important books are tears. But in the ebook, our book not tears, our book not destroyed. So it's a main good opportunity to all of us if we are using
Okay, you are
ebooks, so-
talking about staying in Delhi and you are not even getting a good room in sufficient amount. What about the mobile phone and purchasing the ebooks from the social media? You are purchasing the ebook, you are paying 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 500.
No. Here you are wrong.
What
Excuse
the
me, ma'am. You are
money
very
in
wrong.
the house?
Excuse me. You are wrong because the offline book you are going for the printed. There will be a cost for the 100 rupees, 50 rupees. But for the ad stopping the ad, you have to pay only 9 rupees, 11 rupees, and the 29 rupees. The enough amount to stopping all the things. And for the notification, you were talking about the eyesight and migraine. It's not happen because in the phone there is a features
Okay, so
where you
ma'am,
can
first thing,
set the light.
Let me tell you one thing. If you are purchasing a subscription only for 1 month, if you are purchasing the print books at that time, whole life it will with you, right? The second
So-
thing is that about from ebooks. So if you are using the ebooks, so at that time you are not understand anything. But if you are
No,
reading the
it's
print
your
book, you will get
understanding
easily
power,
understand
brother.
what I'm
Your mistake. It's not like ebook mistake. If talk about like PDF has also available in phone. You can save in PDF. After that, you share with your friend. Don't like give 200 rupees and 15 rupees because every day we are also spend lots of money in like street food also. Don't compare to book and knowledge and
Give me
food.
one platform name where you are getting 29 rupees, 9 rupees. Give me one name, okay? And what about after the end of the subscription? But print book will remain till the life ends. And so you are saying that we can give our little children's tablet.
Okay, so Ajit sir,
That will be major
tell me one thing. If I wanna do study by the print book, so how I can get it free of cost? That there are the lots of website here. By that website, you can download your book very easily, free of cost. So that's the advantage of it.
You purchase a book in one time. You give your friend, you read, and you do not give your mobile phone to others. And because of your mobile phone is forget and your
So you all
book
are
is-
sad about the books, about the purchasing books in internet. So we have a pay to money. So just give me any type of book name, SSC, and any type of which you want. I will provide you easily
Okay, sir,
without
if you are
any cost
talking about
by the
ebooks that
internet.
much, why are you studying at your school with the help of the print book? Why don't you take your mobile phone to your school or colleges and start reading from that? Why are you using print book? Why are you asking for
Excuse
the
me, we are living in that internet era, and in the internet era, all the classes, when the holidays are there, classes are going online due to the internet, and we have a ebook over there. Apart from you were telling about the giving the book to your friend, there is a PDF. You can easily send to PDF on the WhatsApp, on the Instagram, anywhere you can easily share, right? So we have a many options in the ebook, and ebook save your time, save your for purchasing book you have to go to the market. There is no need to go on the market,
you
right?
are saying whatever comes to your mind, okay? You can share. We cannot share. If there is a subscription, we cannot share. There is no option of sharing, okay? You need to pay for that. If you have nothing, purchase anything, then better not to speak about that.
There
Tell
had
me one thing,
lots
if you
of-
have ever read any ebook, just tell me
There
that.
are lots of options. If talk about like I give one example for the International Institute, there has lots of PDF and videos also available. If you want to learn, you want to go YouTube and you can search very easily and you can save the file, lots of files also
Okay, so
in your
brother,
gallery.
you are giving the international, so why you are coming here? The second thing is that if you are able to read ebooks, so why you are going in a school with your books, printed books even? If you are giving the example of SSC or UPSC, so why any person are not clearing without the purchasing?
So sir,
printed
first of all,
books?
ma'am said about the school. Why we are not for, if we are going to school, so we are not reading books. We are reading just notes by the internet nowadays. Not we are reading 100 page and 120 page in a book. We just reading notes by the internet. So it's a
Okay,
very
ma'am,
good point.
first of all, I am cut your point. You say that in some person do not have a mobile, they have poor. You share your books in that. You not say that you.
Okay, so brother, listen one thing. Sorry, Ritik sir, you were explaining about the SSC exams. So still, I am also preparing for SSC exam, and in my mobile phone, you can see. I think I have a 100 plus PDF as a book. You can see after the class. I'll show you, and you can see. So don't say
How
it.
many mobile phone you will purchase for your space? You are saving a lot of PDF and you cannot even purchase a new a house for the new space for the books, but you can purchase so many mobile to save the PDFs, right?
Yeah, definitely
You do not
the
have that
person-
much money to purchase any kind of house for books.
Yes, we can purchase, because the person who are working, there is no need to spend a money like 15,000 and 20,000 is a very cheap amount. We can purchase. Apart from that, you were telling about the PDF, we can easily share. You were talking about the website. We have the Byju's over there. The children, the person who are preparing a UPSC and any exam,
Have you-
they can
Have you
use
ever
that.
read the Byju's website? The prices of that are too high. Okay, and you are saying that we can, how many bags you are having in your college? There are.